Hey guys, today we are going to be again studying about the market, but this time we are going to be looking at some tips and pros, meaning not tips only, but we are going to be enhancing our knowledge about the trading, and from intermediate to pro we are going to go today. Fine, and one trade is ongoing right now in front of you guys right now, and now I have learned a few tricks. Fine, I'm not a professional trader here again, I'm saying, but I'm a more than an intermediate now, kind of a more than a intermediate trader. But the thing is that I have learned a new thing. The day or the other I have learned a new thing. So we are going to be going over that. Now in this video we are going to be fully learning about resistance and support, because those are important topics, you don't wanna miss out on those. Fine. Now resistance and support are of another like types also. One one type is that yeah one type is that it is found during a sideways trend. Fine, one is formed during a sideways trend, and one is formed during an uptrend, meaning a ascending channel or a falling channel, or even a wedge. You can say this is also a wedge, or it is formed while descending, a descending channel. Fine, these are the three types. I hope you know now. These are the three types of resistance and support. Fine. Now here is a falling channel. So most probably our price is going to continue downwards. And by chance if we have a breakout over here, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I think then 8 will be an official breakout over here. Fine. So basically breakouts are there. Now in this video we are not going to be studying about patterns, because patterns aren't that important, by the way. Okay, this trade has already been executed, you can see here. It has already been success. It has already succeeded. You can see this. Already this trade is done. Now here it is going to bounce back up and it's going to go till here and take a retest and come down there. It's like that. But we are going to be understanding from the ground up in this video. Fine. Because we need to learn about retest. We need to learn about pullbacks again, because those are very important. If we miss those, we are not going to be able to trade. I have because understood that this patterns are not that important. For beginners, they are very important, but for us, it's not very important now. Now we have to leave those, because that was in that we need to do and all everything we need to do. That covers almost all the things. Now here it will cover you those patterns. M pattern is there, ascending, but here you can see it didn't ascend till here, didn't. Fine. So there are some things and that we need to look out for. Let's look out for them now. First of all, market support and resistance. Again, what is support? Support is that buyers, or maybe the buyers are more or respecting, or the sellers the sellers are getting less and buyers are getting more while respecting this area, because it has been retested 3 times. Look at that. I'll show you. It has been retested one time here, one time here, and one time here, and one more time with this. Fine. Now this is going to probably go up to a certain level, which is known as the resistance, and come down. Fine. Now what is retest? Retest meaning the change of trend. This was a downtrend, but it changed from here to a uptrend. Again it went down, and again it changed to an uptrend. Again down and again up. So like that we need to do. Now let's look at the resistance here. The first resistance we are going to look at is this one. Another one, let's take it out. Let's take this also as a resistance. Then let's take not this one. Let's take this as a resistance. Then now this can be formed either, or if you want to look at as a kind of bigger chart, if you want to look at as like that. We can also look at it like that. Fine. This is the support, sorry, resistance. Now what is the support here? Let's look for it. Alt plus T, yes. No, this is a normal, okay. Now here's pattern also, but we're not looking at the patterns. First of all, this is not going to be a form of a pattern. We're not looking at patterns. We are looking at pure technicals. Fine? Fine. Obviously. Okay. Now here if you look at it is a kind of falling channel again. Because it's just falling and falling. But here the support is straight here. So now most probably price is in a downtrend. But it's also respecting that zone. Most probably what's going to happen to the price. Look, here it is on all the cryptocurrency, it's almost like fine. Let's leave that because I have taken that decision in the wrong time. But otherwise, all those trades I have made with this thing is perfectly fine working. Most probably it's going to go till this thing. This is the person who are the people who are taking this kind of resistance. They are also correct. The people who are taking this kind of resistance, they are also correct. Fine. Meaning this yellow line or you're taking this purple zone. Both are correct. I do not disagree with both of them. They're both correct. Fine. Now what is going to happen is it's going to come down, come up till there and come down. Now either look, probably it's going to come down to there. Look at that. Going to come down. It's either going to go up. Now there are two chances here. You have to wait for that confirmation candlestick. Either it's going to go up, either it's going to go down, or either it's going to go sideways. We need a confirmation candle. If the candle is forming above this line, then we can easily short it till there. Not short it, long it till there. But if it's forming right here, we can short it in 1:3 risk reward ratio. Fine. This is the pure technical analysis that we have done. It's not that kind of thing. It's very easy. Look here now. Now it's going to most probably, okay, it's also respecting this zone here. It is respecting. So this can also be marked as a kind of look. No, but it's also going up. Our final support is resistance is going to be this. These two. This purple box also correct and yellow line also correct as I already. Fine. Remove that line. Now this is also how come it's a W pattern also most probably is going to fall. That's another confirmation that we get. Fine. But it's a little enhanced first of all. It requires more effort into doing all those things. Now let's set a short. Fine. Short. Fine. Yeah. Let's set a short onto here. The price at least should come up till here. Yeah, till here it should come because this is a kind of also resistance. So here you need to know about resistance and support, everything you need to know. I will just short it like that because if it goes into some loss, but it's still going to come back up. Now this is going to be our basic thing. So if this has respected obviously 2 or 3 times, you can see this. Actually it has respected it 4 times, you can see here also. Most probably it's going to respect one more time here and then go up and maybe even break out here. And if it gives a breakout over here, we can say that it's going to continue upwards. Or if it gives a breakout over here, it's going to continue downwards. That is a simple funda. That's simple. Fine. Now you can see it's going to go a little bit in loss and then come back. Till then I'll show you back testing website. Fine. Now yesterday I was so mad that I did continuous trades. This is not my main account, main is different one. And I lost my win rate to about 60. But with this trick I have enhanced it to 72. This trick works 90% of the times. That is a fact. Fine. Because this is a kind of trick that you need to know. It is not a trick, it is a kind of method that I have back tested also. Yeah, it makes less profit, but it's good to protect your capital always. Now we should see that this is a kind of ascending channel, or a wedge also is formed. I have an idea from here. Wait a minute, guys. Let's make this. Yes, and then like that. Now let's see what is going to be the next one. If it respects this, we are going to continue with an uptrend. Let's see. Okay, we can see a breakout. Fine, you can see this breakout, right? Price is going to continue up. I will do buy here, but I will obviously put a less kind of quantity. Let's make it a little bit less, and this is our a little bit more. Even I will make till here maybe. Let's try. Here you go. Easy trade, success. So this is the kind of method that works most of the times, because we saw a breakout over here. Fine, we saw it. Here a breakout, and we got the profit here. So aim for short profit. Short profit meaning less profit actually, not short obviously, it's less profit, but at least you are getting profit there. But yeah, commission is also there. What can we do about that? We don't do anything about it. Now you can see this is being respected. Can we see that? See, this wick is there. It is being respected. Perfect. Here most probably is going to continue downwards. Most probably. Now there's going to be continuation to the downtrend, and our price is most probably going to reach till 125.57. Fine. Now here it is done now. Till here the breakout went, and we have kind of success here. Look, this was a breakout, clear breakout here. Now let's look. Now this is also again the support. Now this has become the support. Now let's look what the price is wanting to do next. Fine, let's make this a channel again. And now let's click on buy again. Price is going to go up till here. Let's make it till here. Now this is in the channel. This is not outward in the channel. Fine. It is respecting this zone, and we have made a profit again. Fine. It is that easy to trade, but again we are making it very complicated, and obviously look, here we have got our red candle, and we are going to be most probably in a profit again. So now if I look at my analysis, please compare that analysis or win rate with now, and it's 73. Earlier it was 72 something. In 2 trades we have improved that. Fine. Yesterday's, this one is yesterday's. Look, from 100,000 it has been to 23,000 only. This is 100,000, $26, $256. This is more. It says we couldn't open. Fine. Is it a network problem? Fine, it works now. Now let's click on this. Yeah, we are getting a red candle really quickly. We entered only half, not even half. We have entered only 10% of our stop loss, and we are directly onto our trade. This is how you do it. These are the tricks and tips. I don't know why am I just slipping today on my tongue. I don't know why. Fine, now look at that. Look at this, and let's wait for a breakout now. I will show you how to attempt a breakout now. Now when breakout happens, we are going to then short or long it. Fine, I will mute myself and we are going to learn. Fine, we have a breakout here and let's click on buy. And again our ratio a little bit, we are going to be like $6 or $7. Fine. Let's see what happens. I will mute myself. Fine, this was, yeah, we didn't suspect it and it was going according to the channel. But now let's see. Yes, this was a good one. Here we go, our second red candle here. Okay, the chart is moving irregularly here, but we went towards our target and again we failed. But I don't know why this wick is so long till here. This is not actually a good chart here. There we go, a profit. There we go, quick profit. Boom, guys, another profit here. You can see in between we had to exit that trade because we didn't enter it right on time, but yeah, there was a problem. But now it went till here, meaning buyers are in control right now. Let's see, it's going to probably hit this area and then retest. Fine, that's also fine now. And now it's again stuck in this area. Let's play it and let's see where it is going to go. Fine, it has reached till there, meaning this is the zone being respected. Let's click on a quick sell and let's go to sell. Let's make it a little shorter and let's boom, let's start. What did we hit? Did we hit the profit or stop loss? Yeah, we hit the profit, we can see. Yeah. Because I don't know why these wicks are being formed so many. Like, yeah, it is not going good today. Fine. Now it is, let's wait for the next move. Fine. Next move is this. Click quick sell. And here's going to be our profit. Let's make it a little short. Let's make it till these wicks. And we are going to increase this till here. Let's go. Yes, boom. Again profit. So that's how you win every single trade. That's how you go. It's very easy to make trades here now. Oh my god, this is going, if this goes above our limit, we are going to, okay, it's respecting this zone, but if it goes above this, we are going to have to make it long until here. Yeah, this is no point now. Let's remove this one because I have traded, yeah, this one is high volatile, not this one. The XRP is high volatile. This is also very high volatile. Now look, you have to wait for the price to actually give you a good reaction towards the breakout, or that we have to wait. Yeah, now it is going to be a long, let's long from this to, let's make it till here because this is kind of another, yes. Let's hope for our win. Why is it not coming like that? Okay, fine. Let's go. Boom. We're about to reach it. Yes. Go. It is still respecting this area of this formation of that wick. Please cash out here only. I don't recommend to go more, but cash out because we are able to see a kind of wick here and it's respecting that zone. Most probably it's not going to go down, it's going to retest here and then go up. That's the simple thing. Sellers are coming in. Fine, no problem. We are going to still hope for it and we are going to hope that price reaches till there. Most probably if it doesn't, next candle will be probably upwards because there is such a big candle formation here. But even if it's not, even it's a kind of bearish candle, it's going to come till here and then retest and go up. So that's the thing. Fine. Still we are hoping for a good kind of trade here. Why is it? Oh. Okay, that's the thing. It is configuring my stop loss. That's why. I have to make it bigger. Okay. Fine. This is now it's going to detect when it's going to do a breakout. Now look at this. Now let's wait for another. Yes, that's what I was hoping for here. But now let's wait for another kind of move. Okay, it's respecting that. Click on sell. Okay, let's make it till here and then stop loss. Let's make it till here. I'm not sure about this decision, but yeah, I wasn't sure about it. Most probably it's going to, yeah. I wasn't sure about it. I did really quickly. That's why I wasn't sure about it. But yeah, I wanted to do it quick and I wasn't sure about it. But yeah. Okay, now what can we see? It's still respecting this area. Let's wait for another move. Fine. Okay. So it has broken through our this and it's retesting here. I'm going to click on buy and at least till here we are going to buy. We are not going to make it high. I don't want to risk it. Yes, it's profit. Obviously, it was so short, but yeah. Let's wait for another move. Fine. Now, let's wait for another move. Yes, yes, we have to wait for another hold. I would hold here. Now, go for long. Go for long here. And profit. It was profit, right? Yeah, I think it was profit, yes. Because VIX was up, not down. Most probably profit, yes. Okay, now it wants to retest this area, as I said. But let's hope it doesn't break down. It doesn't pull back till there. But I told you guys to cash out here only. I'm just doing for just normal purpose. But I said to you guys to cash out here only. Once you see this kind of candle, just get out of there. That's how we do it. Fine. Because yeah, we were already seeing a kind of. Now this is a breakout, but we should hope for an uptrend here. Definitely should be an uptrend because we have broken through. Most probably it's going to reach till here. Let's wait. Anyways, let's come back to this. Wait for next move. Fine, we have entered this area again. Sell. Take profit. Let's set it till there. Stop loss. Let's book it a little bit up. Yeah. Okay. Oh my God, this was a huge jump. Huge jump. We don't know. Wow, but it was a big jump. Now it has made us so much greater jump. We don't know even how. Okay, it is not applicable in gaps. Now this is definitely buying pressure, so meaning it's going to go up. It's again 71%. It indicates buying pressure, so we're going to click on buy again. We are going to buy. So a little bit you need to know about these candlestick patterns and all. But most probably is going to be buy. Click on buy and make it at least till $13-14. Let's gain it back. And we are going to run it. Wait a minute, I cannot see it. Yeah, now I can see it. Perfect. No. Yes. Yes. It's obviously buying pressure, so it should go up. But our target is too much, I think. Let's try. I think our target is too high. No. It was good. And we have made a profit again. Fine. So it is a good strategy. Already we have tested it multiple times now. Okay, it is kind of respecting this zone. Now this is also fair value what can we say? Yeah, fair value gap, and you can see this is a kind of gap there. FVG we call it. Fine, it is a fair value gap, but it's respecting this zone also. So we should probably wait for the next move, but yeah, most probably it should be upwards. But let's wait for the next move because this is also kind of resistance here. There is also one more resistance. Look at this pattern, and it is known for retesting, and you can see. Fine, it has tested 2 times, so we are going to hope for short only. Fine, a little bit of confusion sometimes happens, but let's bring it to here. Yeah, now this is good. Let's make it till here only. Now let's wait. Fine, now let's look what is going to happen in the market here. Now this is also an ascending channel here. Now let's wait for it to give any breakout. Fine, it has given us a breakout. Clear breakout is there. What is it doing? Price should go down obviously here. Here's a big move downwards, giving us moves. Yeah, downward move. Fine, it has made us another profit. Now this is how you do it. Perfect. Now here if we would have made it a sideways also, it would have still been down. Now again we can hope for short, but I don't want to risk it. But yeah, most probably it should be short. Yeah, maybe. Okay, price is maybe retesting. I don't know, maybe it's retesting. Okay, we are not sure now. Let's wait for another candle. I'm clear going to say that I'm not sure about it. We're going to wait for this candle to close. When it closes, we are going to be confirmed where his price is going to go. Fine, if because this is also a spinning top, so if it closes in its high, we're going to be able to say that it's going to be a bullish. But if it closes right here, we're going to be a bearish. And it's low meaning. Also, we are also kind of respecting the zone. How much time do we have left for the next candle? 4 minutes. Fine, we are going to wait. See, this is the kind of thing that it broke through. I'm going to set my take profit a little less downwards because I don't want to make it just too down. Yeah, because I'm not sure about this one. Kinda less sure about it, I don't know. Because it has again now gone upwards. Now there is no point. We have to close this trade. There is literally no point. Okay, fine. It was such a long candle. Fine, this is kind of pure luck. This was not a good prediction. Yeah. Next is I'm hoping for a kind of bullish. Bullish I'm hoping. Till this week, let's say. Okay. Fine. No. Fine, it has took out our stop loss. Now this is a falling channel again. We are going to see this now. This is a kind of falling channel. Now let's see where the price has its breakout. We're going to hope for there only then. Extend this. We have to see where's the breakout here. If it is upward, we are going to know that then. No, it is not upward. It is not a breakout. Yeah, now it is a breakout. Clear breakout. Click on buy. Till that wick I'm going to hope for. Okay, let's make it even. Yeah, it is good. Okay, that wasn't expected. Okay, let's make this a little bit. There was a clear breakout. I don't know why it is going like that. Fine, it took out our stop loss again. Fine, let's look at it again. This is the kind of thing that we are looking at. Now we have to look at the support and resistance very carefully. That is the thing that we are not looking at carefully. Price is giving us a downward move, I think. Yes, it is giving us a downwards move. We were right about that shot again. You can see this yellow again is being respected. Fine, now let's wait for this. Let's go. Let's wait for a breakout. No, this is not a breakout. Fine, look at this. It is not a breakout. This is the kind of breakout we need. Yeah, look, that was a successful trade. Like that, we have to look. We don't have to look at it just like that. We have to go for a we have to look at the support and resistance. Again, it's down now, but fine, we are still good. I don't know why it doesn't start by. Yeah, now it has started. Fine. So again, now that's why I'm going over this topic, support and resistance, because this will help you to become a professional trader. Now let's start with our MACD here. This is an indicator, not a MACD or McDonald's. Okay, this is MACD. It is an indicator. Right now, it is showing us that it is going to go up. Fine. So meaning price is going to go a little bit up, and maybe then it's going to, when it crosses over this line, our price is obviously going to be in a downtrend. Not obviously, because you don't know. That's why. But when it looks like this, a little bit like this, it also suggests us that price is going to be in a downtrend. That is our second confirmation. First confirmation is obviously the resistance and the support. Second is our MACD indicator, if you have that. Now another one we have. EMA. Now this is our EMA. EMA is the basic moving average. Fine. Now here we can look at the average here. Look at these moves, and we are heading over to our resistance. Most probably is going to be curved downwards. This is our third confirmation. Now after 3 confirmations, we can short easily like we have short. Now, but you will say that why it is right now like that. Like that meaning it's going upwards. It is going to eventually come down. It is not like in 2 seconds it's going to come. But if you even want wait, even like if you want to wait even more, you can wait. There is no thing. But you can skip this confirmation. But the most important confirmation is that resistance and support. You cannot miss this. You cannot miss the trend reversals. No, you cannot. Those are the most important ones. EMA maybe you can miss. EMA a little bit you need to focus on. EMA is the basic moving average, and moving average, if you see, it's going down like that down. Fine. It's easy. See, the W pattern is also easy to spot like that. So you can obviously use that indicator for that purpose as well. Can you see that W? 2, 3, 4, meaning a downtrend. Here's the downtrend. Again a W here, again a downtrend. W, again I want to be, it will be a downtrend. But we are not going to be relying on patterns, because patterns give us sometimes false alarms. But yeah, we are going to end our video very soon here. Maybe it's not going to be a breakout, it should be a short. This is the website's name, FX Replay. You can use it. Fine, FX Replay. It was there. Fine. Spotlight isn't working. Let's change it to default. It will be most probably a down. Yeah. Here if we even look, it's a W pattern, but we're not relying on that. We need to rely on our pure technical knowledge here. This is a ascending channel over here. Fine, you guys can also, I think, see that. Let me extend it outwards. Fine. Okay, now let's start it. Okay, we have reached our, yeah. Why does it say like that? I don't know. Whenever the session ends, you can see it says 76,000 lost. I don't know why. But the percentage is still same. Oh, I think I have opened the wrong one. Yeah. Fine. Yeah. We have only 200 trades. Fine. Now here's a minor uptrend. Now let's mark the new support and resistance. Support here. Next is going to be a next support. And maybe even this is going to be a next resistance. Fine, now let's wait for the next move. We have a breakout here. Okay, we are most probably going to hit our stop loss. Let's see. Yeah, obviously we hit that. Now here it is obviously strong buy. So let's hope for a big buy. I hope it's not a gap again. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, we succeeded in that trade. Now here again and again something is happening in this market. First we'll obviously look at the daily bias. It's downtrend, most probably it's going to be down. 5 minutes chart, let's look at that. It's a bull. Then let's look at a 30-minute chart. Our support zones are valid. Yes, they are valid 100%. Let's make this a little bit up here. Yeah. Otherwise everything is valid. Let's make this still here. The rest everything is valid, yes. As we can see, it is going downwards. Let's wait. Yes. Yeah, now we can see. And let's go forward to our MACD here. Still it's showing up, but slowly it's going to start showing like a curve here. Fine. Now we have done multiple trades over here. Now we can say this trick works 85% of the time, which is a high percentage in trading. Fine. 85% is a lot. So it works very good. It works very good. It's a good strategy, I'm going to say. So you can use this. Because many traders use this. Not many traders. Almost all the traders use this strategy. Those successful traders. Fine. So you can use this strategy. This is the master strategy that is, yeah, basically it's very basic, but we obviously ignore it. We don't have to ignore it, we have to focus on it. Now, master your support and resistance by watching more videos that I'm going to upload. Fine. Support and resistance we have to master again and again and again. One video will be of support. Which one is this one? Like, okay, support and resistance. Then there's going to be a new video. Again, support and resistance, new video, support and resistance. Like that, we're going to make in this series. Fine. Now, next video will be upon, like, we're going to be looking at, again, we're going to be practicing on some more channels, and we are going to be practicing some patterns also we're going to look at. Fine. Like the head and shoulder pattern, we're going to look at that also. Fine. Patterns we are going to not do, but we are going to do only one or two patterns which are important. Fine. Now that's it for the video. I'm just waiting for this now. One week it is down. 1 month also down. Yeah. How come so much of buying is taking place? And okay, it's minor like upon it, so we can adjust it. Fine, we can adjust it like that. And obviously the wicks have gone till here, meaning still it is in that kind of resistance. Now our price or the market is going sideways. These were the patterns. Fine, so if we would have seen this breakout, long and obviously profit here. We have done this already. So look at this now here. Fine. This is going to be our one area. Then our second area is going to be, let me look, this one. And if price breaks through this area as well, price is going to continue downwards till here. And in my case, what the market did was, market fell down, it crossed this line, continued till here, and then from this support it went up. It didn't go till here. Fine. This is a simple thing that happened with me. Now, okay. So, yeah. Obviously now we are done. We are going to be done with this series very quickly, because we have already covered so many things. Now we need to cover about liquidity sweep. Liquidity, obviously we need to cover that as well. We need a good book with that. Okay, let's look at that. Sweep. It is not a weep, it's sweep. Yeah. It shows signs of reversal. It is also related to same, but we are going to be discussing this with a lot of focus onto it, we are going to, yeah, we are going to understand. Trading book, not pattern, trading book. File type you need to type and PDF. It's going to give you all the PDFs. Now look, this is PDF. We are looking, yeah, this is good one. Okay, now just let's look at this. We are able to see now, right? Wait. Gaps, chart patterns, trend lines, chatting, everything is there. Look, this is the kind of good book that we require. Look. Triple trading systems, which is obviously underlined. Let's look. Somebody has put this book. Look, these are the channels. Fine. This is a kind of good book. Fine, you guys should read this book. I'll probably put the link in the description. Right now I'm going to post it. Fine. Okay, this is, yeah, I'm logged in with a different account. Fine. Fine, I'm going to paste that in the description. We are able to see, yes, good. We are able to see that. We once have a breakout again here. So we have a breakout. Clearly we are going to descend. This is also posted. No, this is, yeah. All text. I don't prefer this book. No, not your book. It is a brochure. Complete guide to trading. Let's look at this. Fine, maybe I recommend it. Yeah, this one is a good one. Read this book as well. Fine. I'm going to read them myself too. Fine. Technical analysis, which is this one. No, I have seen this one. It is a pretty bad book. No, not psychology. Trading book. Support and resistance. This is important topic. I don't want to miss this. Look, now our price is rejecting from there. Now this you can see the trends that we already discussed in the beginner series. Not a good one. No. I have to cut the video at exactly 58. Fine, so I have for 3 minutes. Pro Trading School. We are rejecting. Fine, this is a good book. This is again a good book. Yes, this is what I wanted to see. I'm going to read them myself also. Trade with Forex. Which is this? With AWS. Let's look at this. Okay, this is also kind of good book. Yes, it is a good book. Perfect. One more we have found. Now I will also read them myself as I have already told. I'm going to print them maybe. Fine, these are all the books I'm going to post on the channel. Fine. I'm going to post it on the post here. Right now I'm going to put books for trading. BVVIMP. Fine, it's very important. I hope you guys read it. How much time? Only 2 minutes left for me to vlog. Not vlog, sorry. Make this video. Fine, this is the view your channel. Go to post. Here I'll post it. Fine. I will post it as it is. Fine, it requires one-time verification for me. Wait. Because this was one link. Fine, I remember that now. How do I verify this now? No. This is not. Yeah. I'm fine. You will just copy this. Fine. You guys can copy it, or I will post it on the old video also. On an old video. First, I will just post it here. Fine. Pause this video. Again, I'm going to paste this and comment. Now here you can see it is all clickable. Click. That will open. Fine, you guys can open it like that. Very simple. Now that's done. You can see it is rejecting. Fine guys, let me just film 1 more minute and we are going to stop this video. I'm going to post this as a post. Fine, we are rejecting. Perfect. Yeah, we have to just reject a little bit more. I'm going to stop the video here. See you guys in the next one. I'm going to post this in that post section. Till then, goodbye guys. See you in the next one. Till then, peace.